Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the OPPO Reno 2 country. Firstly, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. And when you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen. Go for captcha protection. And click on check. Just wait a moment. Now you can see whole specification about your OPPO Reno 2. Then if you want to check the OPPO country, you should choose Info and Country check. Click at check OPPO warranty in country and wait 10 seconds until whole specification is provided. There you go. You can come up with plenty of very useful information, and here you can check the country of your OPPO Reno 2. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.